तो हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, पता है हम गमछा पहन के आए हैं इसीलिए क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगी है, मेरी फट रही। मैं सोच रहा हूँ फिल्में देखता हूँ, स्पोर्ट्स फिल्में देखता हूँ। अब इंडिया के बहुत सारे गिने चुने फिल्म्स देखे हैं। अभी मैं एक ऐसा फिल्म देखा हूँ देख के मेरे दिमाग के चौंधिया चुदिया गए। चौंधिया गए मतलब है आंखों की रोशनी चले जाने को चौंधिया जाते हैं, समझे? गाली नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं एक अंडररेटेड गेम को लेकर स्टार्ट करता हूँ, एग्जाम्पल फुटबॉल। हाँ, अंडररेटेड है। तो इसी बात को लेके मैं चर्चा करता हूँ कि हमारे जो पड़ोसी देश है उसके जो फिल्म के जो ये दृश्य है, जो फुटबॉल लेके जो लड़ाई झड़ाई कर रहे हैं, ये फुटबॉल है? हमको लगता है ये जो फुटबॉल वाला सीजीआई जो बना है, जो आर्टिस्ट, यही आर्टिस्ट लोग आदि पुरुष पे ऐसे बवासीर बनाए थे।
Oh my God, this Indian player is disappearing. Only his legs are visible. तो दोस्तों, today we are going to talk about Ishan Khadka, the greatest football player to walk on this planet after having played only 2 international matches. He is so talented that he doesn't even need to use a real football. ये फुटबॉल CGI creation है, पर इनके skills 100% real हैं. Be it pointless juggling, posing to create reels, fighting to impress the girl, dancing in his girlfriend's dreams, ईशान है नेपाल की शान। और ये इतने सेल्फलेस प्लेयर है कि ये बॉल कभी पास ही नहीं करते। Why to trouble your teammates when you can do it on your own?
क्या बात है?
Let's jump to a league match where Ishan is playing for a team called APF. At one point he has a goal scoring opportunity, but Ishan does not shoot. He pauses. He looks at the goalkeeper. Defense को भी कोई जल्दी नहीं है. They are like,
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
And finally he kicks the ball up and goes for the bicycle kick. It's a goal. APF win the match and Ishan immediately becomes world famous in Nepal. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मात्र एक लीग मैच खेला है, एक गोल स्कोर किया है एंड इज ऑलरेडी गेटिंग ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स। शहर भर होर्डिंग्स पर ये नजर आते हैं। आई एम कन्विंस्ड दैट नेपाल बी डिवीजन लीग इज बिगर देन द इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट मैच, APF वर्सेस NPC। अब NPC के कैप्टन है रॉबिन, जो ईशान के करंट गर्लफ्रेंड के एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड है, सो इट गेट्स वेरी इंटेंस। लेटर इन द मैच ईशान हैज द पोजीशन बट वंस अगेन ही स्टॉप्स so that he can have a moment and just stare at Robin. शायद ईशान इसे hypnotize कर रहा था, because Robin does not even try to take back the possession when Ishan is fooling around. Ishan eventually scores a goal, not just because of his skills and CGI, but here the ball is installed with an AI chip, so when Ishan shoots the ball in the wrong direction, the football changes its trajectory by itself and lands perfectly inside the nets. This is a perfect example of how AI can change this game forever. I know this AI ball concept sounds way ahead of its times. So after scoring 3 goals in 2 matches with a CGI ball and AI support, this news anchor calls him Maradona of Nepal.
समझ में नहीं, कंट्रोल।
ईशान के फैंस ने सिर्फ एक ही लाइन रटा हुआ है,
Ishan is the best player. Ishan Khadka is the best. Ishan is the best player. Ishan is the best player.
Let's move on to SAF Championship 2019. Or is it 2018? Whatever makes you happy. Nepal semi-final match is against Bangladesh, which is played on this beautiful digitally rendered playground, sponsored by Dabur Chyawanprash and Shivam Cement, watched by the blood CGI crowd and some real crowd, and played by 2D holograms of players. Ishan is playing his first international match and is already the captain of his team, because the previous captain Robin has been arrested for match fixing. जी हाँ दोस्तों, apparently people bet heavily on football matches that involve Nepal. The stage is set. The referee, who looks like he is out there due to a glitch in Matrix, signals to start the game. नेपाल के कोच कबड्डी खेलने के लिए तैयार हैं. And look over here. It seems that Bangladesh player got aliens in their team. As expected, Ishan scores the first goal. What I loved about this goal is the advanced broadcast technology in use. सब कुछ स्लो मोशन में दिखाया गया है, but the commentary is in normal speed and it syncs perfectly with the visuals, which means that the live broadcast itself was shown in slow motion. Now that is something new. Bangladesh probably had already given up, which was quite evident from the way Ishan scores the second goal. As you can see, he's already moved past the goalkeeper, and what do these 2 Bangladeshi defenders do? I think they are cheering for Ishan because they don't even try tackling him, they just watch him score the goal. Nepal win the match and it's all over the news as shown here.
साफ चैंपियनशिप में नेपाल भारत विरुद्ध भिड्दै.
So the final match is between India and Nepal. Now in an attempt to portray Nepal as humble underdogs, the players of Team India are depicted as arrogant and overconfident world-class players. This छपरी टिकटॉकिया is our coach who tells the Indian team कि थोड़ा रहम करके खेलो, ज़्यादा गोल्स मत मारो. And this guy is our captain.
12 गोल काफी रहेगा इनके लिए, 11 ठीक रहेगा क्या?
The game begins. We see a headless Nepali player walking on the field. As expected, Ishan starts off very well. India's tactic is very clear. Play offensively, don't worry about fouls. Referee will not book anything against India because India apparently commands a significant influence over FIFA. So how will the underdog Nepal win against the Indian bullies? India scored their first goal and they celebrate it like they scored their 11th goal. Commentator has problem with India's celebration style and he says, very bad sportsmanship from India. कोई इसे बर्नॉल भेजो. The second half begins and it feels like this referee is standing so far, almost out of the ground. Ishan dribbles and holds possession, so India goes aggressive to get back the possession. Of course, the referee does not book any Indian players. In fact, when Nepal players protest, the referee shows a yellow card to a Nepali player. Because it is very important to show here that the whole world is scheming against Nepal's football team. At this point, शायद Indian captain ने teammate से कहा,
ठीक से टैकल कर. Later in the match, Ishan is in a good position to score a goal, but an Indian Superman flies in to tackle Ishan. This time right on his face, just as the CGI ball passes by. Ishan is floating in the air for quite some time, like a frontline soldier just hit by a bullet. And he eventually crash lands on the ground. Girlfriend number 1, girlfriend number 2, coach, the real crowd, everyone is shocked and upset that Ishan is down because they know that the other 10 players are useless. Ishan is taken off the ground on a stretcher while his father suddenly appears at the venue, probably through Doctor Strange's portal. He keeps telling his son, "Get up captain, get up." Ground पे सब emotional हो जाते हैं and all this is broadcast on TV. So the whole of Nepal is praying for Ishan. Finally Ishan का power nap खत्म हो जाता है and he wakes up. Commentator says on air that this is a miracle as if he expected Ishan to die. Ishan first appears confused, probably wondering why the F has the game been stopped. And then he cries and he hugs his father. The crowd cherishes this beautiful father-son bonding. They are getting their money's worth. Football bhad mein jaye. Now when Ishan woke up, the game was already into the 83rd minute. And by the time he comes back to the field, the game is into the 90th minute. Which means that this Nepali version of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham played out for 7 minutes in middle of a football game. Ishan is all fired up. He thanks the CGI crowd for their overwhelming support. The real crowd is already celebrating. There's music, there's dancing. The game is into its last few minutes. India 1, Nepal 0. Clearly Nepal has an upper hand, at least according to this crowd. The game finally resumes. Ishan takes the free kick. Players are in position, but this Indian player is looking very relaxed. He does not care because he knows that this real football will turn into a CGI frisbee and it will be a goal anyways. Nepal's coach is very happy. वो celebrate करते हैं अपने कटे हुए हाथ से. The crowd is going crazy. With the match already into extra time and scoreline being 1-1, Nepal are clearly the favorites to win this. Ishan continues to dominate with the CGI ball. शायद उसी वक्त Thanos ने चुटकी बजाई. Because oh my god, this Indian player is disappearing. Only his legs are visible. Ishan traps the ball. He does some time pass and finally decided to kick it when the CGI editor was sick of him fooling around. It's a goal and Nepal defeat India 2-1. After this historic win against India, Ishan just vanished into thin air. Legends say that he is pointlessly juggling with the CGI ball somewhere. Would you like to see Ishan in the English Premier League? Or would you like to see Ishan at all? Let me know in the comment section.
वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो क्योंकि उसका पार्ट 2 भी आएगा जो कि क्रिकेट होगा, ओवररेटेड किंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो. और हाँ, हमारे इंडिया का बेइज्जती, हम इंडियन होके बाहर के देशों को बेइज्जती करते हैं तो हमारे देश का भी बेइज्जती होता है और मैं सह लिया क्योंकि ये एक मजाक है. हाँ, और कुछ हेट मत देना प्लीज़, कमेंट में गाली मत देना प्लीज़. मिलता हूँ, बाय.